What's up, guys? Beaster Fry here. I got a good video for you today. I'm be picking into two locks, the 140 and 141 from Master Lock. So let's get into it. Okay, guys, virtually the same lock here. Same keyway. The 140 is the brass, and the 141 is the, I guess you would say, plastic. All right, so let's start with the 141. I'll be using a 40 thousandths ergonomic pry bar from Colruyt Instruments, top of the keyway tension, and a medium hook in 20 thousandths. Alright, so let's start. Okay, pin number 1, click on 1, number 2, okay, click on 2, 3, nice, click on 3 and 4, click on 4, and we're open. Alrighty. 140 here. Okay, same thing, top of the keyway. Starting at 1, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4. 4 kind of binded. Let's go back to reverse. 3, nothing on 3, 2, or 1. So I'm going to start from the back of this lock. Starting on pin number 4. Yep, 4 is binding. Nice, click on 4, 3's binding, click on 3, 2's binding, little click on 2, now we're on 1, and we're open. Alright guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.